Alright, it's Flog number 7, and we're gonna go give another try going out to Larry's chainsaw here and get a new chain for the old chainsaw. Alright, Larry's gonna make me a chain. He said come back in half an hour. Larry don't take debit, so I'm gonna go get some cash out. Quick stop at Princess Auto and head back to Larry's. Sweet. Awesome. Chain looks great. Looks deadly sharp. Nice teeth on there. Should make short work of those logs. And what else did I learn there? I got a couple tips from Larry. The tip I got from Larry was, I don't know if you've ever got your chainsaw chain all, tangled up in loops, and every time you undo one of the loops, you get 2 more loops in it, and it just, it's difficult to untangle. But what Larry told me is you just put your fingers in the loops and just pull, and that'll untangle it. So good little tip there. Let's get back to the farm and try out this new chain. So I figured I'd come out to the biggest log to test the new chain, get some good cuts in on this big boy. Of course, the moment I roll up, sunshine ends, starts pouring rain. Now Larry said the chain's gonna stretch a bit on the first cut, so I'm just gonna make a quick cut and then tighten the chain again. Just like a hot knife through butter. Whew. That chainsaw now is like a whole different beast. Just shreds it. Alright, I'm filthy, and that's enough for today. See you on the next vlog.